Hello guys, 2020 G63. We're trying to replace a cabin filter on the left side. So keep in mind the part number is actually different. The left side and the right side is actually different. I'll give you the part number later, but then it's very easy and simple. All you need is a T25 like this, and then you can undo this screw and this screw, and then this screw, and then this screw. Once you undo that, you can actually lift this cover up, push it just a little forward. After that, this is loose right here. So you're like, hey, why is it still tight? Because there's one grommet right there. I believe that's the only grommet that you have to fight. But if you look at here, oh, actually they change it, so it's all good. So once you do that, you can just undo this guy, pull it straight up, and then yeah, 1 second, I have to get back to it. Sorry, so actually what I had to do, undo this hose clamp right there, which connect like this, and then undo the two connector right here. It's on the side right here for these two. The longer one is for the little pump, I think coolant pump or something, and something like this. After you get it out, you can just fold it, and then there's two more, 1 and 2, so total there's 4. So yeah, that's why you have to replace the air filter on this one. I think this one is the same, 2 connector, 1 air mass sensor, and then yeah, should be okay. The part number is actually this one. Sorry, let me grab it. The left and right is actually different. It's funny. That's the part number, and that's the other part number. So yeah, any question, please let me know. I just replaced the spark plug on this one. Yeah, it's quite hard to do it on this car, but then yeah, it's not that bad. I actually do a couple. So yeah, any question, leave me a comment or something. I'll see if I can help you out.